First, rinse the sugarcane to make it easier to soak. Then, thoroughly wash with soap. Then, rinse away the soap. Alright, this is how to make it easier to peel the sugar cane here. It's cutting it into the joint. Alright. This one is going to do in the middle. It's usually easier to try to get it in the joint, but that's how it looks. Cut it up into pieces, and then now we're going to show you how he peels it. Okay. So he's going to be peeling the cane now, sugar cane, and that's all you do. Please be very careful, guys, when you're peeling the cane. It's best if you're first starting out, then cut away from you, not towards you. Turn it around, let them see the little red part there. The little red part on the top. Right, see that little red piece? It's starting to turn to rum like. Oh, it's just so delicious. Okay, this is what you can do. You can cut it into small pieces and eat it. And chew it. Alright, there you go. Cut it into small pieces and chew it. Small pieces. Okay, and then you chew it. That is what it looks like, guys, after you have chewed the juice from it.
Sweet
but you
juice.
have to be very careful when you're eating the cane. But it's very delicious.